Yo, I'm out of here. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. That wasn't even scary. I just did it for the memes.
This is my dream, you know we're not losing. I run it up, I'ma flood up the Cuban. One falling off for one. I won't stop to the ground.
Oh. What the freak is going on? Bro, hold up. Why does this game look so freaking good though? Oh my god, there's a little bit of laggage. Can you not? I don't know if I should do my intro here, so let me just do it. Hey, what's up, Phantom? My name is King Phantom, and I thought this game was gonna have a title screen, but I guess it didn't. So welcome to Train 113. I haven't played a horror game in a little minute, so I decided, hey, today is the day. Saw this game free on itch.io.com, so you already know if you want to play the game. Link in the description. The boy gotcha. And without further ado, let's hop right into this freaking game. And as you can freaking see, it's a little laggy. It's a little, that's definitely not on my end. That's the freaking game's end. My god, this looks so freaking good, bro. Look at the freaking doors, bruh. My god, I'm from New York, so seeing this stuff is kind of a big deal. The fact that it's super clear. The B train. Is there a freaking B train? Might be. E to interact. My god, we hop in the cars. That's not how it looks. Hello. Hello. Can someone turn the lights back on? Yo, why am I on this train by myself, bro? You can never find a train by yourself in New York. Hello, can I get a freaking flashlight or something? It's kind of freaking dark, bro. You know what I mean? Bro, I can't even tell if the freaking door is opening. Open the door. It's locked. Okay. I guess I'm going back in here. Suzanne, Martha, don't hit me with a jump scare. Okay. Hello. The freak is that? Did somebody leave these bottles here? Somebody freaking left their bottle. I got a little character model. Hey, hola. Hey. I don't like this game right now, bro. Ain't nothing really to be doing. Ain't nothing popping off. And it's mad dark. I don't know how it's gonna look while I'm freaking editing it. But it's mad freaking dark. Can I just have a seat? Wait till I go home? Where the freak is my stop at, bro? This is the longest train ride I've ever seen. That boy sus. Get the pump. That's a must. I don't trust. Well, I don't know where else to freaking go. I turned the freaking lights back on. Okay. Whoa. Now where do these freaking bottles come from? They're full bottles too. What does that say? What does that say? Yeah, anybody wants some of that? Whatever the freak that is. Hello? Don't jump scare me. I'll freaking punch you in the Adam's apple, my guy. You ever got punched in the Adam's apple? It don't sound pretty. Alright, freaking open this door. Nice and pretty. Nice and easy. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa! There's no going back now. Got a fire extinguisher. Yo, I will square up with anybody. This kid, they think I'm playing. Yo, I got hands, bro. I will fight anybody who run up on me. Bro, they even got the freaking ads down. Like, bro, like this. I feel like I'm in a freaking New York train. Oh, she waits in the dark. She waits in the dark. Who freaking waits in the dark? You better tell her to turn the light on. Alright, cool. Apparently I need something to freaking cut that with. Got a Metro card? Of course it is. Okay, little mamacita waits in the dark. She's gonna be waiting for it.
Yo, I'm stuck.
Oh, nah, it's over. Yo, it's me and you. So if you got beef, say something. Say something. Say something. I'll take a seat. I crouch. I can't crouch. Oh, my goose. Oh. Oh, my God. What is wrong with this lady, bro? Why is she walking on the freaking ceiling? Your feet got blood on them. You stink. Oh, I got a freaking box cutter. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Alright, we can use that to cut this crap. Bop! Look at that. Slice that sucker open. Slice it. Alright. Apparently, little chica waits in the dark. Okay. So, we can chill out. Yo! I wasn't even scared, though. That wasn't even scary. I just did it for the memes. I'm out, bro. I'm out, bro. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm out. I punched my mic, so my hand hurt. Let me check my freaking audio. I'll punch my mic mad hard for no reason. That boy sus. Get the pup. What's up, chica? What's up, chica? Huh? When these hands? Where these hands go? I was scared. I was scared, bro. That's it? That's all this game got? What's going on? What's going on? I ain't even scared, though. This door open. Yo, I'm out of here. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here. For real? For real? You need to get up out of here. Yo, chica. Yo, chica. I don't like where this is going, chica. Calmate with all that noise. And I don't even speak French, so I don't know what I'm saying. Are we gonna have a freaking sacrifice? What's going on? I ain't gonna be the one dying here. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I ain't dying today. I ain't dying today. Alright, music picking up. That's cool. Oh, my guy, it turned into a pile of bones. But whose bones is it? You know what I'm saying? I ain't even scared though. This game ain't even scary. Look at Chica right there, bro. Look at Chica. She is crazy. Got my eye on her. Alright, she's good. She's still there. I remember this. I remember. Hey, Chica, I'm watching you, girl. Don't pop out, Chica. Don't pop out, alright? You be a good girl. Bro, I don't know where to freaking look. Everything is so scary. Hello? Press that button. Turn it back on. Oh, I think I messed up. I'm getting killed. It's over. It's a wrap. This is gonna be a jump scare because I'm gonna freaking die. Chica, you could just kill me. You could just kill me, Chica. You could just kill me. If you're gonna do it now. Do it now while I got my back turned. Oh! What was that? Look at that key. Y'all see that key? I see a key. Oh! What up, girl? What up, girl? Think I'm scared of you or something? Think I'm scared? Oh, chill. No, what's up? You just gotta face your fears head on. Chica? Chica? Oh, I'm still alive. Oh, I lied. Oh, yeah. Chica? Don't do this. You don't want to do none of this. I'll fight. You're being sacrificed.
Thank you very much for playing our little game. It's just an alpha version. And yeah, we want to make a full game of it. And if you like, support us on Patreon. Patreon. And yeah, have a nice day.
You gonna scare me with that freaking game and you just gonna tell me have a nice day? Have a nice day. Okay guys, let me just start off by saying sorry if this is a relatively shorter video, but I just want to thank everybody for watching. If you guys really did enjoy this game or watching this game, you guys want to see more or you want to play it for yourselves, the link will be in the description, and I do recommend checking out their Patreon and supporting them because they are really freaking talented over there at Wake Up Games. So guys, make sure you get even $1 will be very much appreciated. Whatever you guys can. I would love to play the full version of this game. This game was recommended to me by a very good friend of mine, not a sponsor, but you know, like I was just helping him out. This game is looking phenomenal. So if you guys do want to see more, make sure you go hit the subscribe button to join the Undead Army. Also, if you guys want me to play some more scary games, that like button, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that. With that being said, hit that like button, make sure everything is blue, and leave a comment too on some more scary games you want to see me play in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you later.
Listen to this song, baby, never repeat this. 1, 2, 3, baby, you played me. How could you rock with me? Then